Cuba is an enchanting island, with a rich history, a vibrant culture, and beautiful landscapes, along with its people marking it as unique. It is located 510 kilometers from Cancun, 367 kilometers from Miami, and 1,356 kilometers from the Dominican Republic. It is the ideal island for multi-destination tourism in the Caribbean, where Havana stands out for its patrimonial value. The Isla of Juventud is located 163 kilometers from Havana, and about 25 minutes by plane. It is a destination with great tourism potential. The company Marinas y Nautica Marlin SA belongs to the Ministry of Tourism, and offers attractive and diverse nautical and marina services throughout the country. Our company invites you to partner for the management and marketing of the Siguanea Nautical Base, located just 50 kilometers from Nueva Gerona and 133 kilometers from Cayo Largo del Sur, a place known for its beautiful beaches, and just 3 minutes from the emblematic Hotel El Colony, from where it is easy to access to the important tourist attractions that are part of the destination. To the west of the facility is located Punta Francis, one of Cuba's most important diving areas. The proposal includes turning the nautical base into a Class C International Marina, comprising the construction of a naval workshop, with staged growth up to 50 berths, the upgrading of the terrestrial infrastructure, and the substantial improvement of products and services, as well as the hydrotechnical works to allow the arrival of vessels up to 3 meters draft. Let's build the future together.